Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City with Marissa. And because she's dressed like a Greek goddess, I'm gonna make some really ugly shots. Because that's how I like to roll. So I'm gonna play around. Actually, it was a challenge by Seth. I challenged him to use these bonnets, as we call them, for the Profoto, like portrait, and he killed it with a certain technique that looked really great, I thought. So I'm totally stealing it. Don't tell him. But first I want to shoot something a little bit more creepy and fun, because sometimes it's fun just to mess around with light and actually to show how little changes make a world of difference. So I'm basically lighting Marissa with two lights, kind of you clamshell in a sense. I've got one from above and one from below. But because they're kind of hard lights, you know, being not that big, and they're kind of distant from her, we're gonna get really kind of tight shadows and only light part of her face. And because of the angle of it, it's not gonna light the kind of the normal place. So let's just show you what it looks like. All right, so give me your best creep. Boom, right? Oh yeah. So like if you were ever on the subway late at night and you saw this, you know, you would be like, oh no, right? Yeah, totally like, raw. So, all right, so we had that classic kind of bad light, right? But it actually is kind of interesting because you've got the catch light there that brings it out some detail, but you know, we're overexposed here on the forehead. The nose is lit up in a funny way. We have the shadow from below. It's definitely not ideal. Actually, come in a little closer to it. And I'm actually gonna go like this. I'm just gonna twist this slightly. So we can go like that, mess with it a bit, be all creep, be like, give me my granola bars or whatever. Yeah, so we can just mess with it and really, I can bring it up a little bit if that's better. You get that under the eye kind of bag, because Marissa never has bags under her eyes. I'm totally creating that with light, I swear. But no, it's like you can emphasize these things because sometimes they work really well for our character. But as is in my contract with Marissa, I always have to take a pretty shot. So let's do that now. So I'm gonna use the same light, basically, the same place, but I'm gonna do a couple of things. I'm gonna have her take half a step back. That's gonna allow me to kind of manipulate the angle of the light slightly. I'm gonna raise them up, get it a little closer, because closer light equals softer, because it'll be bigger, relatively speaking. And from here, now this is gonna take a series of shots to get it, I'm sure, but we're gonna mess around with it a little bit. First thing I'm gonna do is point it and get some direction. So I'm in TTL right now, just because I'm gonna turn off my bottom light for a second. I just wanna see what the top light is doing. And let's see what we're getting. Okay, that's not terrible. It's a little too high still. Okay, pointing it in slightly. Good. Oops, in my shot now. Step a little taller. Cool. Drop my angle a little bit. Nice. Again, still in TTL. Here we go. Right, or redirecting the light into where we want it. It's still got, you know, dark under her eyes. It's creating that shadow there because it's kind of long. So I'm gonna turn this a little bit more. A little bit like this. And again, I'm just slightly manipulating. This is all about kind of fine light placement. Yeah, that's good. Good. So now let's bring our fill light in because we have lots of shadows going on. So let's bring the B light in. And again, I'm using TTL, so we're gonna see what, I have it set at -2 because usually your fill light you want to be underexposed. Good. Nice like that. Now we're gonna start working this shot. Throw it in manual. I'm gonna bring this up. I'm bringing my key light up. Oh, yeah. Right, a bit. Bring your chin up a smidge. Good. All right, getting better. I'm gonna take my fill light. Bring it up. Good. All right, getting there. Take the fill light up a bit more. Good. Nice, getting there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting this bit of kind of a beauty shot here. Let's take a peek here. This is good. I think we can get that shadow a little tighter, and the way we're gonna do that is move it a little bit closer. Like that, and like that. And now we're just tweaking. Our balance is there. Now keep in mind that, keep in mind that we are basically every inch that she moves, every inch that the lights move is going to affect the shot. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So we've got that. I don't know, Marissa, I might actually like the creepy shot better. Because actually that's from the forward one. That's not the one. We have that, and then we have that. Right, so, no comment. No, but the same lights, basically, just using light theory. Moving the light closer, changing the angle, changing the proportion of it, changes everything. So that's super important. It's not buy some magic bullet piece of equipment that's gonna do everything for you. Even just the most simple thing here can create a beautiful shot if you kind of think about where the light goes and place it in the right spot. So I will put Marissa's information in the description so you guys can follow her. Be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer, and subscribe to Adorama TV. Ring the bell so you get all the new videos. And I'll see you next time on set.